Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add card in Apple Wallet if it's not working. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to add card to your Apple Wallet, but you're facing the issue that your Apple Wallet is not working or you're unable to add card, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to update your software. So sometimes it might be a software glitch. So simply go to your settings app, and the very first thing you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. You have to also make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Then go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, just simply go back, and here you can also try to reset your network settings. So just tap on the transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset network settings when the confirmation message pop up. So it will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. So after resetting your network setting, you just try to make a force restart with your iPhone before you retry not to do this. Just quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so go to your settings app here, go to general, and here go to language and region. Select region and select your own region in which you are living. And after that, you have to also select the same region in your app store. So just open your app store, then tap on the profile option at the top right, tap on your Apple ID, and here just try to enter your Apple ID password if it's prompted. So once you have entered your Apple ID password, just tap on the sign in option here and just wait for the loading. And then you have to make sure that you have selected the same country or region in your Apple ID. If it's not same, you can try to change from it. And after that, you just have to try to sign out from your Apple ID. If you still not fix your issue, so go to your settings, tap on your Apple ID, and just tap on sign out option. Then tap on sign out but don't erase. Enter your iPhone passcode and your Apple ID password here. So once you have done, you have re-signed in. Your issue might have to be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to try to contact the Apple support team to get official help. Now to do this, just simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store or you can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, and here just look for Apple Wallet, select this, just wait for the loading, then tap on get more help, then tap on call us. After that you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.